Video recording is going to show you how to edit text using VoiceOver on iOS. So as you see, I have the Notes app opened and I have a heading there called testing, and the keyboard's already popped up. We're in editing mode, and so to get there you open wherever you're editable, whether you're in a document, in Safari, Googling something, or wherever. You always want to double tap and the keyboard will pop up, and cursor will be blinking. So what you want to do is, what we're going to do is we're going to enter a string of text, and then we're going to delete a letter and replace it with something else. So for example, let's type in today is Monday.
Capital T. Tango. Capital T. I O O F D D A Y Y space I C S F C space M O O N F D D A Y at return.
Okay, so that sounds good to me.
Juliet.
Now, just to let you know how I did that is that there's quite a few ways now of inputting. There's, I think, 3 ways now of inputting text in iOS 7 using VoiceOver. There's a traditional drag, and whatever one you want, you can either double tap on that, or what I do just to make things a little faster is I keep my index finger on that letter and I just simply use my middle finger to tap on the screen elsewhere, so it enters it in for me. So there's that method, or there's the tap and release method. I'm going to use my rotor control and see if I can show you that I'm talking about.
Characters. Typing mode.
Okay.
Touch typing.
So right there I did typing mode, and then to get my rotor control, right, I used my thumb and index finger and I turned it. You can turn it either clockwise or counterclockwise. I always do counterclockwise, kind of more natural for me. I guess it depends what kind of hand you're using. And then either left or right, and then I flicked from bottom to top to get touch typing. So now if I release,
I.
so right there just enter the letter I, right? So I'm just gonna
P, delete, I.
There we go. So it deleted the I for me there. So that's one method of typing.
Standard typing.
And you're back to standard typing. Now in the VoiceOver utility, which I guess would be the settings in the settings app, and under accessibility, you do have the option under router to add handwriting to your methods of typing. So essentially what you can do is you can, the keyboard will still pop up, but you can write in what you want on the screen in handwriting format, letter by letter, which is kind of interesting. So anyways, so what we want to do is, let's say we have today is Monday. So let's erase the is. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the router settings again. Again, we're going to take our thumb and index finger and we're going to turn either clockwise or counterclockwise, whatever one you prefer.
Edit. Containers. Volume. Speech rate. Headings. Lines. Words. Characters.
Okay, so now we got characters, but let's say we're at the end of a very long paragraph or a sentence, and going to scare you there for a second, and we want to go, to make things go a little faster, we want to siphon through words instead of characters, right? So we're just going to go back, and I'm going to flick from top or bottom to top.
Monday. Yes.
So as you see, the VoiceOver cursor is going backwards as I am navigating backwards. Monday, and then it said it is. So if I want to delete is, I'm going to go to character mode.
Lines. Headings. Speech rate. Volume. Containers. Edit. Typing mode. Characters.
Okay. I'm going to flick from bottom to top again to see where I am.
Space.
I'm going to go from top to bottom to see where I am.
Space. I. S.
Okay, so my cursor is right after the S and is then. So I'm just going to go and press the backspace button.
S. I. Space. Today. Menu item. Note. Text field. Note.
Okay, so there you go.
Insertion point at start.
And that is how to edit.
Hide more. More.
So.
Numbers. Hide keyboard. Double note. New line. New line. Hide keyboard. Note. New note. New line. New line. New line. Today Monday.